Hi everyone, welcome to IELTS Band 9. Maria is here. Today's training is about reading passages. IELTS Part 2, yes, no, not given, or true, false, not given questions. Remember to read passages carefully, paragraph by paragraph, and look for the exact same ideas, and not the same words, but exact same ideas, or the synonym of those words. It is true or yes if the exact same idea in the question and in the passage are identical. It is false or no if the idea is somewhat contradicting or opposing one another. The ideas in the question and the ideas in the passage, yet opposing the ideas. And it is not given if you do not find any ideas that are given in the questions. It is extremely vital that you do not find any ideas in the passage in that case. The second most important point about yes, no, not given or true, false, not given is how you transfer your answers to the answer key. Make sure that you write true, false, not given, or yes, no, not given with the correct spelling. As the candidates, if you do not spell correctly in the answer sheets, they get penalized if you miss a spell. In IELTS Band 9 test, you have 20 minutes to answer 13 to 14 questions, and you have 3 passages to complete, which the total number of the questions will come to 40 questions over the course of an hour. Remember that any important strategy in IELTS Band 9 will be added to my channel. Make sure that you follow, you turn on the notification, and you subscribe. You need 7 to 9 minutes to read each passage, not longer than that. You only need to read the first few sentences of each paragraph to get the ideas of each question. To scan and skim, you need to go back to each paragraph, read the first few sentences of each paragraph to get the idea of that paragraph. Come back to the questions, read the questions carefully, and see which ideas are given specifically for you to compare the answers to the answer sheets and to write down to the answer sheets or compare the answers to the questions. One last important note is to make sure that you have the right number of words to fill in the blanks or yes, no, not given, as the question instruction indicated. Follow my videos on training how to attain IELTS Band 9. Good luck and see you all then.